Hello everyone, and welcome to the final project of CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript. The final project will be a hospital website with three views to the first feature of the project, the home page. So I will sign in from the patient's portal. And the first thing we see is the home page, where we can make an appointment. We can view our past appointments and get to know more about the hospital, the services they provide. We also show our team for the two departments. Okay, so the second feature we have is the make appointment. So assuming that I've logged into the page and I want to find a doctor, either by clicking on the find a doctor or making an appointment, I get to choose from the doctor's tables, write my name, and I get to choose the date. So let's choose tomorrow, and we can upload scans, medical images, x-rays if we have. I'm just going to make an appointment. The third feature I'm going to show is the history, or the appointments history. I have made only one appointment with this doctor. After each appointment I get to rate my doctor, as each doctor will have a rating, and it will have an average rating for all the patients, as to improve the experience of the patients and have feedback for each doctor. The fourth feature I'm going to show is the blogs page. I have created this page where the admin can add blogs to educate patients and spread awareness. So as you can see, the URL is unique for each article, and there is a tag for each article, whether it is dentistry or cardiology. You can also add a comment. So the fifth feature we have is the contact us, where patients can leave their feedback. This message will be sent to the admin, as it may be a complaint. We send a message and we get redirected into the home page. So that's enough for the patient's view. Now let's log into the doctor's view. When we log in, we have to go to the hospital staff, as they have separate login pages. When we log in as a doctor, we can see messages. We can see the total appointments for the doctor. After the last appointment I've made, the doctor now has 4 appointments. His current rating is 4. We have some checklist that the UI. We go to the calendar, we see the appointments. This is the appointment I've just made, as you can see, appointment. So the way the doctor may take an appointment is by clicking on the appointment from this list. It takes him to the view where the doctor can see the patient's name, whether the patient has uploaded a scan or not, and write a prescription for the patient. In our case, we chose not to upload any scans. After the doctor writes the prescription, we can click on submit prescription and mark the appointment as done. I don't remember which one we've taken, so we mark the appointment as done, and the appointment has been completed. Now, the final feature we are going to show is the admin view. So we can sign out from our account as a doctor and go to hospital staff and sign in as an admin. And the admin can see all messages. This is the message we have just sent. He can see the total patients, the total number of appointments, and he can view all doctors and their rating. This is calculated based on the average rating of all appointments. It is initially 5, so these doctors have a rating of 5. This one has 4 because it has actual ratings. It is initially assumed to be 5 stars. That's it for the final project. Built 7 models for this project, and over I think 19 paths for the whole website. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much.